Right now, something might be living inside you, and you have no idea. A parasite is any organism that lives inside or on another body and survives by feeding off it. Some barely bother you. Others can quietly damage your organs for years. Scientists group human parasites into three main types.
Protozoa are single-celled organisms, and they can multiply inside your body.
Helminths are worm-like parasites. Some grow large enough to live in your intestines for years.
Arthropods like mosquitoes and ticks don't just bite. They deliver parasites straight into your bloodstream.
So how do these organisms actually get inside you?
Contaminated water is one of the most common routes, even in developed countries. In the United States, the CDC names 3 infections as the most common: giardiasis, cryptosporidiosis, and cyclosporiasis.
Giardia, nicknamed beaver fever, spreads through water, contaminated with just a few of these tiny organisms.
The tricky part? Many infections cause 0 symptoms, until a lab test catches them. When symptoms do appear, they're often misleading: cramps, fatigue, weight loss, easily mistaken for something else.
But not every parasite has a cure. The Guinea worm still has no effective drug treatment. That's why prevention, not medicine, is close to wiping it out completely. Parasites have even shaped human evolution. Malaria pressure helped spread the sickle cell trait through entire populations. They are ancient, adaptable, and still very much a part of human biology today.
Understanding them isn't about fear. It's about knowing what's really happening inside the human body.